Do you struggle with constant joint pain, stiffness, or swelling that just won't go away? You're not alone. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of discomfort for millions of people, and traditional solutions often leave you feeling stuck or frustrated. But what if I told you there's a powerful, all-natural remedy hiding in your kitchen? We'll be exploring what makes turmeric so special. You'll discover exactly how to use turmeric to reduce inflammation, and finally get back to living your best pain-free life. And some important things to keep in mind. Let's start with the basics. What is turmeric exactly? Turmeric is a flowering plant, Curcuma longa, of the ginger family. The roots of the plant are what we commonly use as a spice. It's native to Southeast Asia and has been used for thousands of years, not just as a culinary ingredient, but also for its medicinal properties. You've probably seen this bright yellow-orange spice in your spice rack, or maybe even in some Indian dishes. It's a key ingredient in curry powder and gives mustard its vibrant color. But its uses extend far beyond the kitchen. But turmeric is more than just a vibrant spice. It's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, especially in places like India. In Ayurvedic practices, turmeric is used to treat a variety of ailments, from respiratory issues to digestive problems. It's also been used in Chinese medicine for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The active compound in turmeric that gives it these amazing properties is called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its distinctive color and is responsible for most of its health benefits. Now, curcumin is what we call a polyphenol, a fancy word for a powerful antioxidant. Polyphenols are micronutrients that we get through certain plant-based foods, and they are packed with antioxidants and potential health benefits. Antioxidants are like little warriors in your body, fighting off damage from harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells, causing illness and aging. Think of free radicals like little troublemakers that can cause inflammation and contribute to various health problems. They are linked to a range of diseases including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Curcumin steps in to neutralize these troublemakers, helping to protect your cells and tissues. It acts as a scavenger, neutralizing free radicals and boosting your body's own antioxidant enzymes. And when it comes to inflammation, curcumin really shines. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal and fight off infections, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic low-grade inflammation can be a silent culprit behind many health issues. Conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's have been linked to chronic inflammation. Curcumin works its magic by targeting specific pathways involved in the inflammatory process, helping to calm things down and bring your body back into balance. It inhibits molecules that play a major role in inflammation, providing relief and promoting healing. So, whether you're dealing with joint pain, skin issues, or just want to support your overall health, turmeric can be a valuable ally. It's versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in various ways, from adding it to your meals to taking it as a supplement. With its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric truly stands out as a remarkable spice with a multitude of health benefits. Now, when it comes to using turmeric, you've got options. This golden spice isn't just a one-trick pony, it comes in various forms, each with its own unique benefits and uses. Let's break down the different forms of turmeric you might come across. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a health enthusiast, there's a type of turmeric that's perfect for you. First up, we have fresh turmeric root. It looks similar to ginger and has a slightly bitter, earthy flavor. This form is packed with essential oils and nutrients that are often lost in the drying process. You can find it in the produce section of most grocery stores. Fresh turmeric root is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Grated into smoothies, soups, or even teas for a potent dose of freshness. The vibrant color and robust flavor can elevate any dish, making it not only healthier, but also more visually appealing. Next, we have ground turmeric, the most common form you'll find in the spice aisle. This powdered form is made by drying and grinding the turmeric root. It's convenient and versatile, perfect for adding to curries, stews, or even your morning eggs. Ground turmeric is a staple in many kitchens around the world, known for its ability to add a warm, peppery flavor to a wide range of dishes. And then, there are turmeric supplements, a concentrated way to get your daily dose of curcumin. These supplements are often combined with black pepper extract to enhance absorption. These are especially helpful if you're looking to address a specific health concern, such as inflammation or joint pain. turmeric supplements can be a convenient option for those who may not enjoy the taste of turmeric in their food. Look for supplements standardized for curcuminoids, which are the active compounds in turmeric. These compounds are responsible for most of turmeric's health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now, I always recommend incorporating turmeric into your diet through whole food sources whenever possible. Whole foods provide a complex matrix of nutrients that work together to support your health. But supplements can be a great addition to your routine, especially if you're not a fan of the taste, or find it challenging to get enough through food alone. They offer a convenient way to ensure you're getting a consistent dose of curcumin. Just remember, it's always a good idea to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplements, especially if you're taking medications or have any underlying health conditions. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the right dosage and ensure that turmeric supplements won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Now here's the fun part: how to actually use turmeric in your everyday life. This vibrant yellow spice is not only a powerhouse of health benefits but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, incorporating turmeric into your meals can be both fun and rewarding. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Turmeric can be seamlessly added to a variety of dishes, enhancing both flavor and color. Let's start with the most obvious one: cooking. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines around the world, adding a beautiful golden hue and a warm, earthy flavor to dishes. From Indian curries to Middle Eastern stews, this spice is a culinary gem. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines around the world, adding a beautiful golden hue and a warm, earthy flavor to dishes. You can find it in everything from Indian curries to Middle Eastern stews and even in some Western dishes. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any kitchen. Add a teaspoon or two to your next curry, stir-fry, or soup. The spice not only enhances the flavor but also brings a vibrant color to your dishes, making them more visually appealing. You can even sprinkle some on roasted vegetables or chickpeas for an extra flavor boost. Imagine your roasted carrots or cauliflower with a hint of turmeric. It's a game changer. But turmeric isn't just for savory dishes. Its unique flavor profile can also complement sweet dishes. Yes, you heard that right. Get creative and add it to smoothies, lattes, or even homemade salad dressings. Trust me, it's delicious. A pinch of turmeric in your morning smoothie can give it a nutritional boost, while a turmeric latte can be a comforting drink to start or end your day. One of my favorite ways to enjoy turmeric is by making a simple golden milk latte. This soothing drink is perfect for winding down in the evening or as a cozy morning beverage. Warm up some almond milk or coconut milk with a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon and ginger for a comforting and anti-inflammatory drink. The black pepper helps with the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making this drink not only tasty but also highly beneficial for your health. You can even find turmeric in some teas and even chocolate. Imagine sipping on a cup of turmeric tea, or indulging in a piece of turmeric-infused chocolate. The possibilities are endless. So get creative and experiment in the kitchen. The more you use turmeric, the more you'll discover its incredible versatility and health benefits. Happy cooking! Here's a pro tip when it comes to turmeric. Always pair it with black pepper. You might be wondering why, and the answer lies in a compound called piperine. Piperine is found in black pepper, and it has a special superpower. It enhances the bioavailability of curcumin. In simpler terms, piperine helps your body absorb and utilize curcumin more effectively. Think of it like this: curcumin is the star player, and piperine is its trusty sidekick, making sure it gets to where it needs to go to work its magic. So, whenever you're using turmeric, whether it's in your cooking or supplements, don't forget to add a pinch of black pepper. It makes a world of difference. Studies have shown that adding just a small amount of black pepper to turmeric can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. That's a significant boost. So, remember the dynamic duo turmeric and black pepper. They're better together. Now, before you run off and start adding turmeric to everything, let's talk about safety and precautions. Turmeric is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts as part of a balanced diet. However, like with anything, it's important to be mindful of potential side effects and interactions. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially when they first start taking turmeric. If you experience any discomfort, try reducing your intake or taking it with food. Turmeric can also interact with certain medications such as blood thinners and diabetes medications, so if you're taking any medications, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding turmeric to your routine. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also consult with their healthcare provider before using turmeric supplements. And as always, listen to your body. If you notice any adverse reactions, stop taking turmeric and consult with your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and guides. Remember, incorporating turmeric into your routine is a journey, not a race. Start slowly, experiment with different ways to use it, and find what works best for you. And as always, this video is for informational purposes only, and should not be considered medical advice. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. Stay tuned for more videos on how to live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, take care.